Welcome to the HubSpot Integration Guide. We're going to walk through this document together and connect our HubSpot CRM to Unify. In just a few steps, you can connect your HubSpot to Unify and start syncing data bidirectionally. This unlocks 3 key benefits. First, you'll be able to use your HubSpot data to create exclusions that prevent Unify from reaching out to, let's just say, existing customers or active late-stage deals. Second, you'll be able to create plays based on your HubSpot data, for example, close, lost, re-engage. And third, Unify can write back to HubSpot, and this maintains it as your source of truth CRM. It's worth noting that Unify's integration with HubSpot is designed from the ground up to prevent a lot of common pitfalls like creating duplicate records or overwriting existing data. So with that in mind, let's set this up. First, let's connect our HubSpot instance to Unify. To do this, after logging into Unify, navigate to the Settings tab on the left-hand side navbar and click on HubSpot. Click Set up HubSpot here and authenticate with your user. Once authenticated, your HubSpot settings page will look something like this. The first thing we're going to do is create our field mappings. Unify provides granular control over which HubSpot properties map to which Unify fields. We're going to go through each object, select Create Mapping, and map any fields that we wish to customize. In most cases, if you're not sure where to start, the default options are a good starting point. Note that you can always come back and change this in the future for more detailed customization. So let's go ahead and scroll down. We can see here that the company's object, the people object, and the email object are the 3 that we can start to customize our mapping. Let's click Update Mapping. On the left-hand side here, we can see the Unify company field, the mapping direction, and the HubSpot company field. We'll want to make sure that each company field has the mapping direction that we would want it to have and that it's correctly linked to the correct field in your HubSpot instance. Go through top to bottom to make sure that all the company fields are mapped as you would need them to be. Then follow the same steps for the people object and the email object. Once you're satisfied with your integration settings and field mappings, begin by syncing data into Unify. To do this, this button on your instance will be called Resume. For now, it says pause because this sync in this instance is currently on, but you can pause and resume your sync at any time. Start by clicking Resume to get the sync going. Last but not least, turn on Enable Writing to HubSpot with this toggle. It's turned on because it's colored black. Once you've turned on those 3 things, your integration with HubSpot is ready to go and you're ready to start syncing that data into Unify.